In this video, we are going to see about the VLOOKUP formula in Excel. VLOOKUP formula is the basic function in Excel. It will help to get the data from various files. Okay, I'll give you the concept. You have thousands of sheets in one worksheet, and you want to get the data from the raw file to the sheet which you are working. Example, you have hundreds of employees with their employee ID, their phone numbers, their insurance ID, their license ID, and in other sheet you want to know their employee IDs and their names. So you have the names in one column, and you want to know their employee ID to check their salaries or whatever. So if normally now you have to do find and replace option, like using control F and take the data from the raw file. That gonna take a hell of time. So in this thing we can use this VLOOKUP formula to get it easily done. Okay, VLOOKUP formula is nothing but VLOOKUP value table column index range lookup. So I'm gonna explain with the sample file. Okay, this is my master sheet. I'm showing this as a perfect example for you. These are my employee ID, last name, first name, department, like various other departments, their email IDs, phone number, EXTs, and their location where they are locating themselves in the office, and when they are hired and how much their pay rate for hour. So here I have a list of employees with their employee ID and their first name. I want to know about their department, like which department they are working in. Let's do it. Is equal to. So we are first thing we have to find what is the common between these both sheets. In this thing, employee is common and last name is common. I think. Sorry. First name is common. Sorry. This first name is common. So the first basic rule should be the whatever common between the sheets now, it should be in the first column. Okay. So here first we will take the last name is equal to VLOOKUP employee ID, that is value. So I want to look up this value, means I am taking this as a constant. So 1054 employee ID, the person who is having the employee ID of 1054, I want to check I want his last name. Okay, so value table array is we have to go to next sheet. First column is nothing but the column which have the constant. So in this thing we have always should be in the A column. So drag it. Okay. So in this thing we want last name. So last name is in second column, that is B. Done. So we will do that. VLOOKUP open bracket employee ID, which is a constant thing, table array. Table array is the sheet which you want to take the data from. So this is my sheet. second column, that is second column. So I'm giving comma 2 comma 0. Done. Over. So if you want to do for these things, you can just drag it down. The formula will be applied for all the cells. So if you notice here, you can see this NA, which definitely it is not correct, right? So why it is coming like this? It is just because this employee ID, it's not located in the master sheet. That is the reason. So let us search for once again. Control C, I'm copying the number and I'm checking 100 kind of now. So that is the reason. If the cell contain the constant value is not in the master sheet, it will be showing us NA. Okay, let us try once again for this department. Is equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket. Okay, let us try with the constant as last name. D3, comma, table array. This time we have to give this. Three comma 0. I think it won't work. It works. So whatever constant you are checking now, that should be your first column. Okay, let us do in the other way. I have department here. What if I need a employee? But another problem is here. There are so many unique departments. Like it can't be a constant. So other thing, I'll take the last name and I want the employee ID. Let's change this for a moment. Is equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket. Sorry. Constant, master sheet. Here last name is here. So let us try. It isn't giving because it works only from, I'm sorry guys, it works only from left to right, from here to here, like this way. Okay, I hope you understand this VLOOKUP formula. So if you have any doubts or anything, please give us in the comment. I'll get you right back. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. And moreover, if you want videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.